here is the Minolta Panorama zoom 135 overall conditions. Okay, and here is the battery compartment. It's using two CR123A battery. Then we just put accordingly. Oops. After that, by pulling this button to open the back cover, inside will be like this. And here is the film. About the film, we need to slide into this compartment to make sure that the motor have fit into the center part of the film. Just put it in, put the film tip here. Make sure that your film is flat. Okay, I just close it and on it, and we auto load. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that now you have loaded the film properly. So now we can start shooting. Here is the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, you'll follow at the center point there, got a circle or bracket. So you just use that thing to aim whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, if you're blinking like this, which means that the flash is charging, then maybe you aim far a bit. Wait, okay, yeah, like this means that it's ready. Then we just click it. When the environment is bright enough, then it won't trigger the flash. It will change according to the environment. Then here's the flash setting. This one is force flash, off. This one is plus 1.5 compensation, which it will have a slower shutter speed. Okay, like this means that it can't focus, but you still can fire the shutter. Just it have high chances that it will out of focus. Okay, maybe I am like that. Wait for a while. Wait. Okay, like that means that it's okay. Then you click it. Then like that is auto, yeah. And here is the timer. And this one is continuous shooting and double exposure, remote. Then right, we try the timer first. So same, aim, half press, press it. Okay. If the light blinking, which means that it have now start counting the timer. Took around 10 seconds like that. Okay. Then after that, we try continuous shooting of the flash first. Okay. So about the continuous shooting is, if you didn't release the shutter, it will keep shooting. Yeah. Then next is the double exposure. Okay. For now, if I click the shutter, it will move to like number 10. But if double exposure, it won't. It will stay. It doesn't move. Then we click again, then only move forward. It allowed like 2 shots in 1 frame lah. Okay. Then here is the mode. This one is macro, which it will auto zoom to the max. Then this one is okay again. For the portrait, it will like auto framing or something like. Okay. Then this one is night mode, landscape, and spot metering. Spot metering, it will be more accurate lah. Usually it's shoot for like bad light situation. But then you click again. Yeah. Okay. Click harder to move to auto mode. Then this one is the red eye reduction. I need to on. But normally I feel like it doesn't matter lah. It doesn't affect anything at all. Then here's the on-off button. Here's the panorama mode. When you switch, it will become narrow. Off it, then yeah, it will become normal. And when you should finish, it will auto rewind. So no worry in using. And if you didn't use it, close it. Yeah. Then next thing is about the back here. It have the date imprinting system. Then we click select, then it will blink. When it start blinking, then only we can click the adjust button to move. Check see whether it's until 2025 or not. Oh, it's until 2019 only. Yeah. So maybe you can either like off it or change to like date and the time. Yeah. Like that means that it's off. And here is the overall function, and I hope you enjoy it.